Spring is here, and that means more buyers, more listings, and a lot more people are asking the same question. What upgrades are usually worth the money when it's time to sell? So let's talk about it. Before you grab a paintbrush or start tearing out your kitchen, there's 3 things that you need to know. The right upgrades can help you sell faster and for more money. However, the wrong ones can eat into your profits and turn off buyers before they even walk through the door. Here's how to tell the difference. Let's start with what not to do. Going all in on high-end kitchen remodeling, luxury landscaping, or worst of all, leaving a project half finished usually does not pay off. According to the latest cost versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel returns just 36% of what you put into it. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready, not a work in progress. If you start a project, finish it. That missing cabinet or half-done tile job could end up costing you more than you think. So skip the expensive mistakes. A person looking at an unfinished home project will not get a first good impression. That's where your money really counts, and the data is backing it up. A garage door replacement can return up to 268% return on investment, making them the highest return project in the country. And that's actually for the 2nd year in a row. A new steel entry door can return 216%, and a manufactured stone veneer averages about 153% return on investment. Inside, focus on mid-range updates like new countertops and fixtures. A minor kitchen remodel is returning about 113% right now, compared to just 36% for a major ultra remodel. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light neutral paint. Buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions really matter, and most buyers decide how they feel about buying a home before they even step inside. Outdoor view of a well-maintenance home with updated curb appeal. Don't cut corners on the contractors. Hiring the right contractor can make or break your project. So take the time to find someone you trust. Ask friends and neighbors for referrals. Check local Facebook groups or look at the Better Business Bureau's directory. Once you have a few names, get at least 3 written quotes. Confirm their license and make sure that they're insured, and ask to see photos of their recent work. A solid contractor will help you stay on budget. They offer honest suggestions and get the job done the right time the first time. Cutting corners here might seem like a way to save money, but it usually ends up costing more in the end. And one more thing, get everything in writing before the work begins. A clear contract protects both of you. If you're planning on selling this spring and you want to focus on improvements that add value, I can help. Every market is different, and I can help you figure out what makes sense for your home, your timeline, and what buyers in your area are looking for right now. Feel free to reach out and let's put together a plan to get you the best return on your sale this spring.